First, Utsang Youth Conference. For any country or organization, with a large or small, it is imperative to entrust responsibility to younger generations to ensure the continuation and preservation of its legacy. In accordance with Resolution 9, passed during the 16th General Body Meeting of Utsang Choka, a Utsang Youth Conference is being organized under the vision and guidance of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. The mission is to nurture, encourage, and empower Utsang youth with the knowledge, capabilities, pride, and unity of all three Choka. This conference aims to fulfill the aspirations of Tibetans inside Tibet, sustain the Tibetan freedom struggle, and contribute to strengthening the Central Tibetan Administration, CTA. Achieving the schools and fostering stronger connections among the youth are the key motivations behind organizing the Utsang Youth Conference. On March 24, 2024, a group of current and former Utsang parliamentarians and executives residing in the Dharamshala gathered to discuss and develop the conference agenda. Based on these discussions, the Central Utsang executive members have decided to organize the first Utsang Youth Conference, a 4-day event scheduled for June 27 to 30, 2025. Participants are required to arrive in Dharamshala by June 26, 2025. Aims and objectives. Number 1. To raise awareness about how to study and inculcate the 4 principal commitments of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Number 2. To create a platform for Utsang youth to participate collectively and share responsibility in the Tibetan freedom struggle. Number 3. To ensure that Utsang youth take responsibility for sustaining and strengthening the Central Tibetan Administration, CTA. Number 4. To promote awareness among Utsang youth regarding their responsibility to preserve, protect, and promote the Tibetan language and culture. Number 5. To foster deeper connections between older and younger generations and to nurture knowledgeable, motivated youth with altruistic dispositions.